Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2007 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.